Speaking of gifts, we would like to, we received a very special one earlier this year. One of our alumni is a member of the Marine Corps, defending our nation, just got back from Afghanistan, and a little while ago, a few weeks ago, he sent to our group one of the most beautiful gifts I've ever seen. It was an American flag that was flown in his helicopter on a rescue mission to save other American Marines, and we actually went out. Mr. Dave Snell is in the audience with us tonight. We got this framed. It's going to be hanging in our house. Thank you guys. Thank you, Dave, for your service. We're going to continue this concert. It's going to be a tough one, but we're going to carry through. This next song is going to be brought to you by Devin Barley.